Can anyone really join this exclusive credit union that was originally built for big money oil executives? And are the rumors true? Can you get a high limit 0% credit card and a $25,000 personal loan approved in minutes? Sometimes without even hurting your credit score initially, which means a soft pull? Look guys, today we're gonna be talking about Spectrum Credit Union. I'm gonna show you exactly how to get in, how to leverage their with clutch for massive personal funding, and the specific credit bureaus they pull so you don't get denied. If you wanna learn the secrets of raising capital that the banks don't want you to know, do me a favor right now, guys. Smash that subscribe button and type money in the comments because we're about to get to it. All right, first off, who is Spectrum? A lot of people like, Marvin, who is Spectrum Credit Union? This isn't your average neighborhood bank. Spectrum Credit Union was originally started from the employees of Chevron. Yes, I'm talking about Chevron, the oil company. And in 1973, they came from one of the biggest credit unions in 1973. So this credit union has a lot of money, guys. And why does that matter? To you as a business owner or an investor, because when a credit union is built for high income employees, they are used to underwriting high limit loans. They aren't scared of a $15,000 or $25,000 approval because their typical member has the income to support it. But here's the good news. You don't have to work for an oil rig to actually join. A lot of people think this is a closed circle. It's not. If you don't have a family member who's already a member and you don't work for a sponsor company, guess what? You can still get in. Anyone can join. All you got to do is look at their nonprofit partners list. Spectrum allows you to join by becoming a member of one of their partner association. Usually this involves a small donation or a membership fee. And guess what? The nonprofit is called the Financial Fitness Association, which this will allow you to join other credit unions as well. And once you join, guess what, guys? The door is open. All you got to do is deposit $5 in a share savings account. And guess what? You're a member. Don't let the eligibility page scare you away from the actual funding. Now, let's talk about those credit cards. Spectrum credit cards are actually serviced by Elon Financial Services. And this is important for you guys that like to strategize and the credit nerds out there. Elon is a massive issuer for a lot of credit unions. And because they are a separate entity, their underwriting criteria can be slightly different than the credit union's internal loans. So it could be different bureaus that they pull. We typically see high limits from Elon, anywhere from $10,000, $15,000, even $20,000 starting limits if you have a strong profile and your credit score is over 700. And look for their credit offers, and some of them are 0% for about 24 months. And this is how you can fund your business startup on the personal side without paying interest from anywhere from 12 to 24 months. Elon Financial typically pulls TransUnion and Equifax, so be prepared for that, guys. However, because it's through Spectrum, always be prepared for them to check Experian as well. Elon is famous for just looking at TransUnion and Equifax depending on the state that you live in. So this is the part of the video I'm sure you guys been waiting for. You want to hear about this $25,000 personal loan and the $25,000 personal line of credit. Spectrum uses a technology platform called With Clutch. This is a digital lending platform that streamlines the application. Here's the golden nugget. With Clutch, it's designed to do a soft pull to show you the offers. That means you can log in and see if you're pre-approved for that $25,000 personal loan or that line of credit and see your interest rate before you take a hard hit. With Clutch also exclusively pulls Experian for soft pull data. That means they scan your report, they look at your debt to income ratio, and they give you an offer. If you accept the money, then you get the hard inquiry. So this is how you can do a cash flow changer for shopping around without wrecking your credit with a whole bunch of inquiries. Remember, don't have more than 3 inquiries in 6 months. So let's briefly touch on their assets. Since Spectrum deals with high net worth employees, their auto loans are really aggressive. So if you're looking to finance a luxury vehicle for Toro or business use, or you just want a personal car, you might want to check them out. They got interest rates as low as 6% all the way up to 84 months. And for mortgages and home equity, they are very competitive. So no matter whether you're a first-time home buyer or you're actually refinancing, they can help you with a dedicated mortgage loan officer. And here's the kicker. They even have expatriate services if you want to move to the U.S. So if you're outside of the U.S. and you want to move back, guess what? They can help you because they serve Chevron. They have a deep understanding of people who live and work abroad. And if you're a digital nomad, or YouTuber, and you have business overseas, most banks will deny you because you're not in the US. Spectrum actually gets it. They have a specific underwriting for expats. That is a rare find for credit union world because the only other one I know about is United Nations Federal Credit Union. If y'all know somebody else, drop it in the chat below. I want to be crystal clear on the credit bureaus because I see a lot of y'all in the comments asking what bureau is it, what do they pull without even watching the whole video. And I don't want you to waste an inquiry. So membership, they usually do a hard pull on Experian and they're gonna check your check systems. Be prepared for it. All right, credit cards, it's gonna be Elon. They look at TransUnion and Equifax most of the time, but remember that can vary. Personal loans and lines of credit with Clutch is an Experian soft pull for that offer, a hard pull to actually finalize. So knowing who they pull allows you to freeze the other bureaus or just make sure Experian is squeaky clean before you apply. And remember guys, if you got nagging items on your credit, we do have a software that can help you. Look in the description below.
What up? This is Matt Barnes. And like most of you guys, my parents messed my credit up when I was in college with them damn Discover cards. Throughout my MBA career, I was desperately trying to find people to help me improve my credit score. I paid tens and thousands of dollars for empty promises. About 2 years ago, I found my guy Marvin on Instagram with luxury credit hacks, and it changed my life. He took my score from a low 500 to the mid 700s, and it's still climbing. You guys need to check them out. They changed my life. They can change yours. You can find them at luxurycredithacks.com and tell them I sent you.
And remember, Spectrum is a high limit bucket you need to add to your portfolio. Start with the membership, let it sit for a few weeks, then check with Clutch Portal to actually see if you're pre-approved. You don't want to just join one day and try to get the card the next day. You want to show some activity by doing some debit transactions, doing some deposits, and letting them know that you want a relationship. You hear us talk about that in our videos all the time. It's all about relationship if you really want some great approvals. Now listen, getting access to $25,000 is great, but if you don't know how to turn credit into cash flow for your business or for your life, you're just gonna rack up a whole bunch of debt. And we teach a specific system on how to raise high limits, and we teach you guys, vehicles to invest in them. If you want us to take a look at your specific credit profile and help you build a funding roadmap for you, I need you guys to click the link in the description below and sign up for one of our free business strategy calls. Now, the strategy call is free, but now if you want to use our services, of course, there is a fee. I just want to be clear with everybody. And I want to ask you guys, have you heard about the high limit loans that Walmart has? If you hadn't, check out this next video. I'm Mr. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.